Have you wondered if you are paying a fair price for home improvement service costs? Repairs, painting, carpentry, maintenance, or renovation, it can be a puzzle. You have three estimates for the same project with big differences in price each other. You want quality, durability, and fair prices, but how can you calculate the right price? Consider these factors. First, location. Your state dictates material, labor, and tax costs. Second, license and insurance. A skilled contractor offers a state license, if necessary, and bond or liability insurance for damage protection. Third, a guarantee. A reliable contractor provides a warranty period, covering material or workmanship failure repairs at no extra cost. Lastly, overhead and profit markups. Here, the discrepancies emerge. Yet an average percentage exists for each trade. If overheads like vehicle expenses, gas, tools, and insurance are not included, the contractor risks bankruptcy, so it's likely included in the estimate, even if it's not explicitly stated. Let's take painting in California as an example. A fair price depends on the project size in square feet, material cost, labor cost, time spent, taxes, and overhead and profit costs. Want to validate the government-approved fair labor price in your state? Consult the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics or online tools like HomeWise. They provide the minimum and maximum average price for each trade per zip code. At Farmer Brothers Paintworks, we ensure our prices are law-abiding, fair, and our quality exceeds our customers' expectations. Contact us for a free estimate